Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the groundbreaking GPT-4. Now, as amazing as GPT-4 is, we understand that not everyone may be willing to pay $20 of month subscription fee. That's why we are here to present you with 7 alternatives to use GPT-4 for free. So let's dive in. Our first alternative is Forefront AI, which is leading the way by offering free access to GPT-4. But that's not all. With Forefront AI, you can also explore features like image generation, custom personas, and shareable chats. It's an incredible opportunity to experience GPT-4 without any cost. If you are using Bing as your preferred search engine, then you are in luck. Bing has introduced ChatGPT-4 and you can access it for free. Simply head over to bing.com/new and start using GPT-4 right away. For users of other browsers, don't worry. There is an extension called Bing Chat for all browsers that you all need to install before enjoying this free access. Next up, we have WNR AI, which provides you with GPT-4 completely free of charge. Say goodbye to $20 monthly fee and take advantage of all the capabilities which this advanced AI model has to offer. WNR is making sure that everyone can experience the power of GPT-4 without any financial burden. If you are looking for a platform that offers multiple AI models, including GPT-4, then Po is the answer. With Po, you can access various models like Sage, GPT-3, Dragonfly, Cloud, and Cloud Plus. To use GPT-4 for free on Post site, simply navigate to their homepage, click on the GPT-4 button and type your message. It's that easy. Now, if you already have a Google account, you are just a few steps away from experiencing GPT-4 with Perplexity AI. Head over to the Perplexity AI search page and look for the quick button with a drop-down arrow inside the Ask Anything box. Click on it and you are on your way to exploring the power of GPT-4 for free. Merlin is our next alternative, offering you the capabilities of GPT Plus on your all favorite websites completely free. With Merlin, you can write email replies, summarize any website, generate new content ideas, and so much more. It's like having a personal AI assistant right at your fingertips. Last, we have Hugging Face, a platform that provides access to various language models, including ChatGPT-4. To access GPT-4 on Hugging Face, go to their website and navigate to the Models tab on the top menu bar. There you will find a world of possibilities with GPT-4 and other powerful language models. And there you have it. 7 amazing alternatives to use GPT-4 for free. Whether you choose Forefront AI, GPT-4 with New Bing, WNR, Po, Perplexity, Merlin, or Hugging Face, you will have the opportunity to experience the power of GPT-4 without the subscription fee. So go ahead and explore these alternatives to unlock the potential of AI. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our future AI related content. See you next time.